You created V-Guard. Again, why did you create V-Guard, and what are the benefits I can hope to get from it?
V-Guard is a very broad spectrum collection of nutrients, particularly polyphenols, that help your body respond in a more constructive manner to a viral infection. And it works on many, many different types of viruses. Now, this isn't designed to prevent you from catching it. It's not designed to cure you once you've caught it. It's designed to provide your body with what it needs to not overreact or underreact. It provides support for healthy reaction. The first thing that gets engaged when you get a viral infection is a very ancient part of your immune system called the innate immune system. It's been around for over 1 billion years. Plants have an innate immune system that shares some of the signaling that we do with us. So the innate immune system evolved before animals and plants split apart over 1 billion years ago. Well, it responds very rapidly. It can respond in less than an hour, and within a few hours, it can be turned on pretty good. The problem is it's imprecise. The innate immune system is like dropping napalm from 50,000 feet from a fleet of B-52s. It does the job, but it's going to incinerate everything in sight and cause a lot of collateral damage.
Okay.
And in fact, back during the 1918 flu pandemic, it was people's overreaction of the innate immune system that killed them rather than directly what the virus did.
Explain that. That's very interesting. I've never heard that. How do you overreact to a virus?
Well, you could release too much inflammatory cytokines, and those inflammatory cytokines, which are designed to kill virally infected cells, could kill a whole lot of other cells as well.
Gotcha. And if I got it, how would I mean, give me specific, because people listening.
Well, for example, you run a temperature of 105 and it destroys your brain, or you end up with excessive blood clotting and end up getting a stroke or a heart attack.
Okay.
The aches and pains that you get when you get a viral infection are due to overreaction of your innate immune system.
Okay.
There's a second branch of the immune system called the adaptive immune system. That's what produces antibodies. That's like a precision bombs, GPS-guided bombs, or cruise missiles. Very, very precisely guided if the vaccine is made properly. However, it takes time for this to kick in. In fact, it can take a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks for it to kick in. Wow. In the meantime, your immune system is doing the job. We originally developed this formula back during a pig flu epidemic. I think it was around 2008, 2010 or something like that. And we modified it as a result of the COVID-19. And again, this isn't designed to prevent you from getting it. It's not designed to cure you. It's designed to mitigate an overreaction of your immune system, but without suppressing the immune system. For example, this normalizes the amount of an inflammatory cytokine from your innate immune system that's called tumor necrosis factor alpha. Tumor necrosis factor alpha in excessive amounts is what's responsible for all the joint damage and inflammation and pain that you have in rheumatoid arthritis. There's a very powerful drug, a monoclonal antibody, that really knocks out tumor necrosis factor alpha. However, there's side effects. Although it can be a miracle treatment for rheumatoid arthritis, if you take that, you're going to get more respiratory diseases, and you're going to get more of certain types of cancers called lymphomas. And this is something you don't want to overdo it, you don't want to underdo it. And one of the advantages of using things in there like quercetin, which is a very common phytochemical. It's a polyphenol, a lot of it in the Mediterranean diet. It's responsible for some of the benefits of the Mediterranean diet. The green tea polyphenol EGCG. People have been exposed to polyphenols for long before the human species existed. It's something our body knows how to handle and deal with, whereas if you take a shot of a monoclonal antibody, well, it works all right, but it may work too much.
Okay.
And you don't want to overdo it, and you don't want to underdo it.
Okay, so I'm going to take the V-Guard because, when we know flu season is about to come up, or just all year round, how much should I take of the V-Guard, again, to build up some strength in my immune system?
Well, what we recommend is that if you actually have caught something, that you take 3 capsules 3 times a day. Even 1 capsule 3 times a day is going to help support your immune system function properly so that it doesn't overreact or doesn't underreact.
Okay, folks, now you know about V-Guard. You go right to the site here and order your V-Guard now and build up your immune system.